everyone! Today Hemptique will be showing you how you can make a macrame snowflake. Let's get started. For this tutorial you will need to cut 14 ropes about 2.5 feet long. For this video we will be using Hemptique's Royal cord. You're also going to need a ring. My ring is measured at 2.4 inches in diameter. Our first step is to fold each of our cords evenly in half and attach it to our ring with a reverse lark's head knot. To do this, I'm just going to take that folded in behind the ring, send it over so you see this nice loop in front, and I'm going to pull the remaining 2 ends through the loop, and then I pull it nice and tight. And I just repeat this with all my ropes all the way around the ring. Attached all 14 ropes to your ring, it is time to start tying square knots all the way around our ring for a total of 7. To make a square knot, I'm going to be working in sections of 4. I'm going to take the far right rope in this first section of 4 and cross it over the 2 ropes in the middle to form a loop. Then I take the side on the left to go over that right rope. I'm going to send it behind the 2 in the middle and then send it up through the loop where I can pull it nice and tight. Then I'm going to take the side on the left to cross over the 2 in the middle to form my loop. The side on the right goes over the left rope, behind the 2 in the middle, and up through the loop. And I pull that nice and tight. And that is my first square knot. Now I move on to the next section of 4 and just repeat this process. Repeating this for a total of 7 square knots. And here is what your project will look like once you have all 7 square knots complete. Our next step now is to make a second row of square knots, this time in an alternating fashion. To do this, I'm going to tie a square knot between 2 previous square knots by using the 4 ropes close together, which means I use 2 ropes from the left square knot and 2 ropes from the right. And I just tie my square knot as normal. When I pull this alternating square knot tight, I'm going to leave a little bit of a gap between the last 2 square knots. I rotate my snowflake and repeat with the next 4 ropes. is what this will look like with that second round of square knots finished. Now we are going to be making one more third and final row of square knots in an alternating fashion as we did before. So once again, you just take 4 cords, 2 from each previous square knot, and you tie 1 normal square knot like we did before. Again, making sure to leave a little bit of a gap between the last row of square knots. Do this all the way around your ring for a total of 7 square knots. To finish our square knot, we will be cutting the ends of our ropes off so that there is about 1 inch of rope left. There we go. This is our finished snowflake. One alternative to ending your ropes is to unravel and brush out the fringe so it's a little fluffy and it just gives a different look, or you can leave it as is for this kind of look as well. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.